So today I want to talk a little bit more about light therapy. In our treatment room, we do call it LED therapy. But basically, this form of therapy, when it comes to skin, is going to help with so many different things. So what is light therapy? And this source is basically going to come from Cleveland Clinic. And light therapy is a low emitting diode. Light therapy is a non-invasive treatment that enters the skin layer to improve the skin. This has been around since the 1990s. NASA began studying LED light effects and promoting wound healing in astronauts by helping cells and tissues grow. Now today, dermatologists as well as estheticians commonly use LED light therapy to treat a range of skin issues. Skin specialists also often use LED light therapy together with other treatments such as creams, ointments, and facials to give you the best results. You can also buy an array of at-home devices that use LED light therapy, including LED masks, which are very popular. What does LED light therapy do? So LED light therapy helps to treat a variety of skin concerns and conditions, including eczema, hair loss, mild to moderate acne, psoriasis, rough scaly spots on the skin, which is called keratosis, rosacea, sun damage, wounds, as well as wrinkles. In some cases, LED light therapy may treat small and superficial basal cell carcinoma. A skin cancer is the most common type of cancer, affecting about 3.6 million Americans each year. Now, let's get into the colors of what LED therapy can do for you based off of the colors, because that is the most important part. So based off of the colors, if you are using a blue light, or if you see blue light or have blue light as an option on your light therapy, then it's going to affect the most upper layer part of the skin. Now with that, it's going to help to kill out any type of P. acne or P. acne bacteria that's laying in the skin. So blue light is going to come in and help to kill out bacteria of any pores that are infected or have congestion of blackheads, breakouts, cystic acne. It's going to come in there and slowly kill off that bacteria so that we can start to heal that skin from the inside out. That's exactly what blue light therapy does, because it's going to focus on the actual first layer of the skin. Now, when it comes to yellow light is going to penetrate a little deeper, which is going to be called amber light. And amber light more focuses on sensitive skin, rosacea, helping to soothe the skin and helping to calm the skin itself in its entirety. It's mostly going to help with eczema too, but it's a soothing more type of light that's going to calm the skin in itself. So it's going to go a little bit deeper than the actual blue light. Red light is going to go a little more deeper, or travels further into the skin, and it reduces inflammation to the skin itself, as well as stimulate collagen production. A protein responsible for responsible younger looking skin to diminish with age. This is one of my favorite lights that I use in a lot of masks at home. Use this light too, because it definitely does help with anti-aging. It helps with cellular rejuvenation to the skin. It helps with product penetration, wrinkles, and it also helps with just overall kind of fine-tuning the skin, is what I like to call it. So if you are in the market for looking for something that focuses on that type of work to the skin, red light therapy is going to be your best, and honestly it's the most effective while penetrating kind of the deepest. And then there's green light therapy. This is probably not talked about as much because normally the red light is going to kind of help come in and do the fine tuning for you. But there also is green light therapy that really works well for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Basically what the actual green light LED is going to do is going to speak to the melanocytes. We do have melanocytes in a layer of our skin that helps when we do say get a scab or we pop a pimple. We have our melanocytes that starts to communicate with one another and start to create the actual skin or produce melanin to the pigmentation. But sometimes it overworks itself, which causes hyperpigmentation. And basically, basically what ends up happening is that the green light therapy comes in a way and basically use photosynthesis to communicate with the melanocytes to tell it to stop producing so much hyperpigmentation, or to stop producing so much pigmentation. And in result, it starts to slowly lighten up the more that you use it. So my second favorite is green light. I like to use those two together, green light and red light. But that's what the actual green light therapy does help with. It helps with hyperpigmentation and slowing that process of darkening pigmentation to the skin. There are tons of light therapy at home treatments on the market. So what do we look for, and how do we know what is effective and what should be used safely at home? One of my favorite that I like to use, that I'm well known for or well acquainted with, is going to be the brand of NuFace. NuFace has an amazing device that uses a red light therapy handheld piece to your face that you can use up to 5 minutes a day without affecting the skin. You do have to manually do this with your hand, but I have been familiar with this product for a few years now, and that's the one I would recommend. The price range for that can definitely go up into, I think, about $300. But if you are looking for something that's more cost effective, there are a few on the market that you would be able to look into. There are so many products on the market that you can definitely try, and I should be able to put a few up or make a few suggestions for you down below. Now, there are and could be some side effects to red light therapy if they are overused or if your skin does not agree for light therapy for you. And some of those can definitely be if you are having hives, inflammation, redness or itching, or kind of rash-like or pain, then I would definitely suggest to consult with a dermatologist or an esthetician to further see if your skin is susceptible or supple to see if your skin is a good match for light therapy. But there can be some side effects. Normally there is not, but just depending on if you have sensitive skin or any other laying issues with the skin, you could possibly have a reaction to light therapy. Definitely it's suggested to only use light therapy no more than 15 minutes max. You don't have to use it every day. You can use it every other day, always up to once a week, just to give yourself some maintenance. And I like to suggest my clients to do their full light therapy treatment on the day that they actually go in with their products. If you don't, I suggest exfoliating once a week. So if you're exfoliating that day, I would suggest going in, following up with the mask, and then following up with the light therapy to actually get some amazing results with the next day. Yeah, it gives a couple more minutes on what you're doing to your skincare, but just make it a spa day, make it a pamper day for yourself where you do your full skincare routine and then do a little bit of light therapy for the week. So that's something that I do suggest, and it gives you a little pick-me-up as well. But this is my recommendations when it comes to light therapy, breaking down what is light therapy, and I hope that this was a little bit informative for you. If you do have any comments or questions, definitely put them down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I am CeciMoore, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.